made this turkey for you, Aunt Michael's mom. I put it on the refrigerator.
Oh my God, how did you do that?
I made it with my bare hand.
How innovative!
I guess you could say I'm like a really big deal in my class.
Mom, this is a shabby gift. It was very easily made.
Michael, take a chill pill.
The teacher just traced her hand and she just scribbled all over it.
No.
It's very bland.
Oh, what a festive piece of art for my home. I just love it.
This is a very generic, lazy gift.
I'm really good.
Michael!
Mom, you don't care that it takes no talent to do that?